As a starting point in understanding steam power plants, let's consider a simple wind power generator plant. As wind strikes the blades of the windmill, the blades turn. In this process, the energy of wind is converted into mechanical energy, turning the shaft, which is attached to the blades. Inside the generator, the turning shaft converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, which in turn causes the light bulb to illuminate. Simple power plants such as this actually work. In fact, some areas in Europe have electricity that is generated by the wind. The drawbacks? Well, natural wind is not dependable. Therefore, we must find a more controlled source of wind power. Now, what happens when we put a tea kettle on a fire? Heat energy is absorbed by water in the tea kettle, and the water begins to boil. Soon, steam will come out of our kettle spout. This steam can act just like the wind. It can turn the blades, which turn the shaft, which generates electricity, which illuminates the light bulb. Now, this is the basic principle under which all power plants operate. Oh yes, the equipment is much more sophisticated, but the principles are all shown in this simple diagram. Now, let's look at the 4 basic energy conversions which must take place in order for a power plant to operate. First, the chemical energy of coal is released as thermal or heat energy through burning. In this process, oxygen in the air combines with fuel. This process is called combustion. Next, the heat energy is absorbed by water and steam is formed. This process is called thermal absorption. Energy in the steam jet acting on the windmill blades is converted into mechanical energy, causing the generator to start to turn. We say this process is converting thermal energy into mechanical energy. Finally, the mechanical energy of the rotating shaft is converted into electrical energy. So remember, the basic principles of power plant operation are simple. The energy conversions are combustion, thermal absorption, conversion of thermal energy into mechanical energy, and finally, conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. Now, let's see how our simple power plant can be made to operate more efficiently. By putting our tea kettle inside of an enclosure with fire, the tea kettle will be heated from a number of different directions instead of just from the bottom. In the power industry, we call this enclosure a furnace. Our kettle, we will call a boiler. This, of course, is the equipment in which water is converted into steam. The chimney, we call the stack. Now, by enclosing the windmill and directing the steam more carefully, we can get the shaft to rotate more efficiently. From now on, we'll call our windmill by the power industry term turbine. Remember, the turbine's function is still the same, converting the thermal energy into mechanical energy.